driving Nicole's car now. I'm testing the differential. It actually feels pretty good. It doesn't have any noise in the back, so the latch was perfect. There's also no clunking, like no excessive stuff. It's just normal welded differential stuff. Just normal welded differential noises, you know. Just a little geek, geek, geek. It steers really nice, well balanced. I just love the sound of the 1JC. This car is so close to me. Like, dude, you're way too close. Alright guys, so the time has come. We need to take apart the BMW interior. This is it. So first, I gotta start taking all the stuff that's inside of the car. There's like some stuff over there for the front windshield, like the wiper trim and the wipers and stuff. There's a couple like glove box stuff that I've already taken apart before. I gotta remove my steering wheel. Oh man, this is so hard. Let's see, how do I remove the steering wheel? Oh, that wasn't so hard, wasn't it? Then there's the trunk stuff that I gotta take the woofer out, which I don't want to, but it's only for now. Oh, this thing gotta come off, this stupid thing, like, you empty toolbox thing. Maybe I should start by removing the front seats. I think that way will get me more access to get to the rest of the stuff, wouldn't it? If they're in the way, like literally, I should just remove them. But first, I'm gonna remove everything that's in the front seats and the floor so I can get access to the seats. I think I got all the stuff that was laying around so far. So now I can get to actually removing the seats. Man, this kind of sucks. The interior of my car is actually pretty good. I kind of don't want to get rid of the rear seats. But once I put the new bucket seats, there's like gonna be no room because my seat's gonna be like all the way back here. So nobody's gonna be able to sit in the back anyways. Kind of wonder what... Actually feels kind of good. Let me see. It's not too bad except that I don't fit back here. Like I have to sit like this. Like, all right, I'm comfortable, guy. Let's go. It's like, oh wait a minute, this front seat can't go back. Like, nope, not happening. I don't fit back here. Rear seat's coming out. They have some speakers back here. What? It's not even attached. Power. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, these are kind of broken. I don't think I'm gonna be using this. Scrap yard. This other one seems okay, but now I don't have a pair. Doopity-doo. I need to remove this thing. Just like pull it and then come forward. Now I need to get rid of this thing, but there's wires everywhere. So I'll cut these clips off. So I can maneuver this out of the way. So I can just lift this thing out. Ew, so sticky. Ew. Why is it all sticky? I don't like sticky. Yeah, this thing alone weighs like probably 15 pounds. For the rear seats to come off, we have to get the seat belts off first. So these are two 17mm bolts on it. Now you fold the seat down. And there's a little like tab right here that you gotta like pull up so you can put the seat up. It looks like to remove the seats, it's 17mm bolts, I think those are. Let me check. It seems like the right socket for this is a 16mm. Using the leg as leverage. It looks like the front are studs and the back are bolts. There are two plugs down here, and then this little zip tie that holds the harness in place. Cut that off, and then remove the two plugs, or three plugs that hold the seat in place. Wait, I said four? There are four plugs. Okay, four plugs. Yeah, this thing weighs a ton. Oh, these plastics are no fun. Really need a battery for this either. I need to move the seat forward, but the car has no battery. So the car has no battery, I'm stuck. Oh wait, we got an S13 that's parked outside. I can probably take the battery from that. Just for a little bit, just to move the seat forward. Alright, I managed to move the seat back, or I mean, move it forward. Now I can access the rear bolts. Now the same thing as the other side, I'm gonna have to remove the four plugs, or three, or whatever it has on this side. I have no idea. There is so much room in here now. It's like, more cleaning, because there's trash everywhere apparently. I'm guessing the center console has to come out too. I decided to clean up the carpet a little bit so it'll be nicer to work with, so I don't get my hands so dirty. There was a bunch of like coins. There was also a little bit of glass here. Looks like this door was definitely hit and they replaced the window. The back, it's almost done. I just gotta remove those door cards on the back, or the rear quarter panel door cards, or whatever they're called. The rear trim, and I gotta get the carpet off. It looks like I'm gonna have to disassemble the gas pedal to do that. And then everything else I can pretty much just like slice it in the middle, whatever makes it easier to get it off. Pretty much like I did on Adam's car, I just cut the middle and took one side at a time. And you don't have to remove that much stuff to get it out of the way. What do we have here? Pre-wired for security. Oh man. Pre-wired for BMW CD player. You mean pre-wired for more wires that I gotta remove? Oh man, I gotta get all that stuff out too. Oh yeah, it's starting to look way more race car now. Look at that. No stuff. Oh, I haven't forgotten about you. You're going down. Got one of the sides almost off. As you can see, I cut the whole metal to divide the carpet in 2 pieces. That way it's a lot easier to remove, especially if I'm not gonna use it again. Now I should just be able to like pull on this and bring the whole thing over. And it's out. Now we got all this plastic stuff down here still for the harness. The AC vents are definitely coming off. Now to the other side. Managed to pull out the passenger side. Now all I got left are just the quarter panel things. These things are a little too easy to remove. And it comes right off. Ew, there's a Band-Aid. This thing right here, I definitely want to keep. This is to hold my foot down or something. Unless I make one from metal. But this is very comfortable to have. Definitely saving this. Well, it's looking like a race car now. Race car-ish. Oh wait, there's that thing still there. You can't be there. Oh, come on. Now it's more race car. Got it. Got it. Got it. And got it. That was a lot of work today. I'm even sweating over here, even though we got AC right there. One thing I forgot to mention to you guys, I have no engine harness, so I had to do this jumper wire to light up the fuse box from the distribution block that has, because it has the battery in the back, so it has a wire from the battery to there, and then from there has a wire that goes up here like that and then goes there. So I had to put this wire temporarily so I could make the seats work to remove them. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. I need to get to editing. I'm super late. It's actually like 5 something already, so I gotta get to this thing so I can upload this video for you guys today. That's some of the stuff that I ended up removing. Yeah, garbage. I wonder if I could sell this stuff.